In this video, we're going to review four prop firms that are newly launched and they are opened by the top brokers. They're backed by the top brokers in the industry. So that are IC Funded, Blueberry Funded, Think Capital, and Oanda Prop Trader. So let's go into their evaluations and what are the services they're providing to us and what are the evaluation challenges, prices, their conditions, and everything. Let's go into the review. So the first one is IC Funded. So let's check it out. Their website. The website is pretty decent and clean. So here are the evaluations. You can join their community and receive up to 80% of the gains. So yeah, they have given some of the conditions here. So 80% profit share, 1 if 250 is the leverage, and minimum lot size 0.01, and tradable instruments are 150. That is good, and they have dedicated support team 24 by 5. So at the bottom, they have also provided their dashboard. So this is the dashboard. When you purchase a funded account with them, you will get this dashboard. It will show all your metrics here, the account details, and everything you need on the left hand side, the KYC challenges, all the things. As we scroll down, you get this video from them, why to choose IC Funded, why to get funded with them, and all the details. um yeah, so let's get in the bottom. Yeah, so let's now quickly check their evaluations and let's take a look. So I've got questions from my friends who are now recently joined prop trading, why these brokers are shifting from the broker side to prop firm space. So I think many of the brokers have significantly lost many of their clients in recent years, 1 or 2 years, because prop firms are getting very popular in the trading space because of the gains you can get here is there are no limits to your gains. You can make 1 million, 2 million, as you can see on very many YouTubers right now. They're earning a great amount of money from prop firms, and these prop firms are backed by brokers, so they are also regulated, and there will be no compliance issue and any types of trust issues with the brokers or the prop firm because they are interconnected. So let's check IC funded evaluation. So explore your trading strategy. Yeah, so you can get 80% profit share, capitalize on market movements. You can see up to 500K in funding. That's great. We offer wide range of evaluation tailored to meet everyone needs. Get the funding you need to achieve your trading goals. So up to 500K in funding. Select the evaluation you feel comfortable to make every trade count. So that's great. Actionable education. So they also explore diverse strategies, learn from each attempt. Our raw spread. So IC funding is IC funded is very great because their broker have raw spreads on their accounts. So that's very good and very less slippages. I have used their broker account early, and it was very good. They have raw spreads and no slippages, very less slippages, and the trading conditions are very good. So they also have educational materials and training programs. If you're very new, then you can check this out. So how it works: so you get the evaluation and you pass their evaluation program, get funded. No, actually, you have to also go through the verifications because these are the brokers prop firms. So you have to go through the verifications, KYC. The compliance is much needed here because also they're regulated brokers with top three certifications, and you get funded. So this is the main thing that we're going to check now. So they have 5K to 500K. So you can get up to 500K funded account with them. So the target is for phase one 10%, and the phase two is 5%. So as target wise, I can say that the phase one 10% is a bit higher than other prop firms, but that's good because this is very reputable broker, and they don't want you to gamble your account. So they have a 10% and 5%. That's very high if you compare it with other prop firms, but yeah, they have this condition. Minimum trading days is 5 slash unlimited. So I think you have to trade 5 days, then it's unlimited. And maximum daily loss, so they have the maximum daily loss of 5%, as you can see, and the max loss is 10%. So the maximum daily loss, if you click here, Oh, oh, nothing happens. So good. So yeah, let's get on moving. So available leverage. So the leverage is 1:50 on FX and gold, 1:10 on indices and commodities, and 5:1 in equities. That's good. And the live accounts gain. So in the initial payout you get 75 is to 25. So after then you get 80 is to 20. So 75 is your um, split, and the 25 will be the broker split, the prop firm split, and after that you get 80% profit share. And the fees for 5k is 49, and $10,000 account is $99, and 25k is 149, very decent. 50k is 189, and 100k is absolutely 499. So it's very decent because it is a regulator broker prop firm, so they have to maintain their brand. Actually they're already brand have a brand value, so they have these prices, I think. And for the sustainable business too, so up to 500k, 500k is $2,498. So they have this. And yeah, so these are all the conditions you have to get in order to pass their funding challenge. And this is the review for IC funded. Let's get into Blueberry funded. I think this is good for the industry and good for the traders, while they will not be afraid that these prop firms will be closed in some years, because these are backed by brokers and they have sufficient amount of funds in their account. If something gets bad with them, they can pay you well before closing their account, so no need to worry. So Blueberry funded, I like their website, pretty clean and decent. Broker backed, as you can see, broker backed, industry leading. So Blueberry has provided liquidity to many prop firms, Blueberry and Think Capital. Yes, almost 80% prop firms are using these brokers. So broker backed, industry leading. So as you can see, you can scale it up to 2 million stimulated capital as a Blueberry funded trader. Find your trading edge with the prop firm backed by a world leading broker. So up to 2 million you can scale your account. That's very good. So start earning in 3 steps. Step 1, evaluation. Second, evaluation, and after KYC you get funded. Who we are, these are backed by prop firms. Yeah, I know, we know that already. And their missions, markets, benefit, selecting the top. Yeah, so it's the price and the evaluation criteria you get here. So they have step 1, step 2, and rapid. So these are the challenges that they have. So for step 1, 10k account is $75. So 75. Actually we are going to check a higher account. So let us go down. um yeah, so they have their. Okay, so quickly just see their scaling plan. So the scaling plan is very good. So scaling plan overview: upgrade profit from up to 90%, so you can get up to 90% profit split. Balance scale up, balance will be scale up on every 25% on every 3 months. So on their conditions, they have every 3 months, if you make a certain gain and you are net positive, they will fund your account with the scale up of 25%. So that's very great. Ongoing increase every 3 months if the objectives are met. So yeah, if you clear their objectives, you will get a scale up balance of 25%. And trading objective remains the same as your original plan on the increased balance. So the trading objectives will be same whether you are purchasing any plan. Maximum allocation for per trader will be 2 million. That's great. So as you can see, they have the following charts: 0 months, 200k; 3 months, 250, 6, and up to 600k. So that's great. And let's quickly check their 100k account. For step 1, we will only see 100k. If we compare all the prices from 5 to 200k, that will take so long. So for the step 1 they have 550. So it's very decent, but very, what I can say, not cheaper than IC funded. IC funded has no, wait, it's, yeah, it's a one step program, so definitely it, my bad, it will be expensive. So let's quickly check their two-step program. It's 500, so $1 more than IC funded. IC funded have 499. So the conditions are same, I think. Yeah, so phase one 10%, phase two 5%. Profit target you have to achieve on step one, it's only 10%. So let's check their step one step evaluation, 10% profit share, profit target, and max total loss is 6%, daily loss is 4%, profit share is 80, and drawdown type is static. Not, it is not balance based, it's static. Okay. So the time limit is unlimited, leverage is 1 is to 30 on one step. Evaluation minimum trading days, so you have to trade for 3 days minimum. Minimum funded trading days, so funded minimum trading days is 3, is also 3. So you have to trade for 3 days on the funded account too. Payout frequency will be 14 days. Every 14 days you will get your payout. Account copy trading, yes, so you can copy multiple accounts with them. Let's quickly check two-step challenge. On the two-step challenge you get 10% for the phase one and 5% profit target in the phase two. The max loss is 10% and the daily loss limit is 5%. Profit share will be 80%, and if you meet certain criteria, I think they're going to increase your profit share up to 90. And the drawdown type is also same like one step challenge, it is static. The time limit will be unlimited. Leverage is 1 is to 50. On the one step it is 1 is to 30, so it is more than the one step. And 3 3 both trading days, trading days you have to trade. Payout frequency is 14 days, and you can also copy the other accounts. On the rapid one, the rapid challenge is the quick challenge, so you have to make the profit target of 5%. The total loss limit is 4, and the daily loss limit is 3%. You can't get your equity balance less than 3%, or you will fail the challenge. So the profit share is 80%. Again, the drawdown type is trailing, so they have trailing drawdown type. And on the one they have static, on the two step they have static, and the rapid they have trailing. Time limit is 7 days, so within 7 days you have to pass this challenge, and you get the leverage of 1 is to 30. Evaluation trading days is 0. Funded account trading days is 3. Payout frequency 14 days as same. Account copy trading, yes, you can copy trade this account. So this was the funded review of Blueberry Funded. So yeah, about the prices, so step 1 is 550, step 200k will be 500, and the rapid will be 300. So it is way less, but yeah, the rules are very hard to pass. So this was the Blueberry Funded. Next, quickly go on to the review of Think Capital and reviewed their funding program. So we will quickly go over it. So they have three types of program. One is Lightning, Dual Step, and Nexus. So these are phase one. Lightning is phase one, and Dual Step is two-phase challenge, and Nexus is three-phase. So let us quickly check their website. So here you can join their Discord. The website is clean. So here they have written powered by Think Market. So Think Market back them. You can trade directly from trading view. Okay, so you can manage up to 300k, and the profit sharing will be 90%. Payout frequency is 14 days, so most of the brokers have 14 days payout frequency. You all know about it, because to maintain their cash flow you can scale it up to $1 million, so that's great. So what they offer? So the Lightning challenge is the phase one evaluation, dual step challenge, and three step challenge is Nexus challenge. How it works: you choose the challenge and you trade and you complete the KYC and get funded. So they provide three types of platform, which is Think Trader, their own platform. And the best thing is that you have a tool to backtest your trading in Think Trader. And TradingView, of course, very famous, and Platform 5, as you all know, it's Platform 5. They have written because of the compliance or regulatory issues, but we all know what it is. And find the perfect fit. So here's the challenge. I will go through 100k challenge. What's the 100k? So the 100k challenge is minimum trading days for Lightning. So quickly go through the prices. So for Lightning is 499, and dual step is also 499. The three step challenge, which is very hard, but it's quite cheaper, $349. The minimum trading days 5 days, 5 days, 5 days, same for all the three challenges. Phase one target is 10% on the first phase challenge, only one phase challenge, which is Lightning, and it's 8% on dual step, 7% on Nexus. So phase 2 is for lightning challenge, you don't have a phase 2. For dual step 5%, and the 3 step challenge is 6. And the phase 3, it's only on 5% with nexus because it is a 3 phase challenge. Leverage you get on one step challenge is 1 is to 30 on lightning. On dual step 1 is to 100. Three phase is also 1 is to 100. Daily loss limit, of course, the one step challenge is lightning challenge, so they have a less daily drawdown limit on your account, and the other two are 4%. So the max loss limit is 6% on the lightning and 8% with the dual challenge, but you can add on with the purchase, so you will get an extra 2%. You can scale that up to 10%. And 8% on the nexus. Profit split is 90 90 90. Three of them have 90% profit split, and payout frequency will be 14 days, but you can add on and get 7 days payout every 7 days. So 14 14 14. So I choose think capital. As you can see, balance based drawdown, and profit share is 90%. Payout cycle weekly you can get. Broker backed, yes, they have their own broker. US customer is allowed. That's good. Trade from TradingView. Own proprietary platform think trader, you can back test your trades in that. So withdraw profit to personal account. In my previous video also, when where I have reviewed think capital, so I have told you guys that this is the best future features that you can get. In this, you can withdraw your profit to your broker account, and there is a good this is a great feature where you can withdraw your profit to your personal trading account. So if you have a think market broker account and you make some profit in think capital, then you can transfer that money to your broker account, and that will also give you a good space to trade your personal account too. So you can withdraw your profit to your broker account, and other most of the prop firms or broker based prop firms don't have this feature, but they have this feature. That's great. And here you can subscribe to their newsletter, and let's check it out, their website and other things. Yeah, most of the things we have completed. So now we will quickly jump to Oanda. So what's Oanda is offering. So the site is loading. So these are the prop firms which is not the cheapest one, but they have good track record as their broker, and they're very good at tech, and the support team is also good. So that's why I'm making this video, because these are huge hands, huge people. They have already have the industry experience. So let's quickly go through Oanda Prop Trader. So they have a good website. You raise your game, we raise your capital. Take the challenge and unlock the profit share of 90% as an Oanda prop trader. So you get 90% profit sharing. Let's quickly check their website. Choose your prop trading challenge. So here is the thing: 80% profit share, 10K challenge, virtual funding. The fee is 169. Wow, that's definitely not cheap, but yeah, let's see. Gold challenge. So they have other type of challenges. See, gold challenge. So gold challenge is 100K challenge. Fee is 699, almost $700, most popular. So they have lucky 888 challenge. So why 888? Because the fee is 888, so you get virtual funding of 188,888. So 8888, and also you get profit share of 88%. That's great. They have Titanium X challenge, on which the 25K account is 299. Definitely not the cheapest challenges, but let's see what they have. So in this, you get 90% profit split, and the black challenge is 80% profit split with virtual funding of 500K, and the fees is 2,400. Challenges conditions: see, the first phase profit target 8%. You have to make 8% for the first phase, and the second phase you have to make 5%, and the daily loss limit is 5%. Max drawdown is 10, and the max leverage you get is 1 is to 100. So that's great. So they have written what is prop trading. About prop trading, as we all know, they're the best broker in 2023. They're about um, three simple steps like all of the other prop firms. Challenge level up to 500K. Put your prop trading skills to the test. Choose your challenge and test your trading strategy with up to 500K in virtual funds. So here's the other thing: fee refund on first payout. So the fee is refundable on the first payout. Smart tools you get with them. So again, so they have like ready, they accept few methods on the prop trading account. Not few, but majority of them. Debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can do wire transfer, or you can send the funds through crypto. So that's great. So let's quickly check out their challenges. Let's go to choose your challenges. So yeah, here's the challenges as we have all discussed now. For yeah, these are the challenges they have. So they have, like, again, we will quickly go through virtual funding level, titanium X, which is 299, silver, yeah, 399, gold challenge, the most popular one, 888 lucky challenge, so you will get lucky and pass perform. That's not it, but yeah, everything is 88% is the profit share. Platinum challenge, black challenge, and these are the conditions, so it's pretty clear. So this was the four prop firms that are backed by brokers review. And if you get any good knowledge from this video, you can comment, like, or subscribe and share my video. And please comment which are the next videos you want from me. I will make them. Bye bye, tata, goodbye, take care, and do good at your trading. All the best.